If your YouTube channel is not growing, and it's not because you are lazy or not working hard enough, it is because YouTube is hiding your videos. Yes, you heard me right. The algorithm is burying your content, and it's not your fault unless you are making one of these 5 crucial mistakes that I'm about to share with you. If you are tired of low views, stagnant subscribers, and feeling like you are shouting out in the void, stick around to the end of this video because you will know exactly how to fix it and start getting the attention your content deserves. So if this is the kind of video you want to see, kindly give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me give you these tips on how you are going to do what? Fix your channel. The first mistake is posting without a strategy. If you are just uploading videos whenever you feel like it, you want to post, you are basically throwing darts in the dark. YouTube's algorithm loves when a creator is consistent and have a purpose. For example, let's say you post a gaming video on Monday, a cooking tutorial on Wednesday, and a vlog on Friday. Your audience has no idea what to expect next, and neither does YouTube. So instead of doing this mistake, just pick a niche that you feel like, create a content calendar, and stick to a schedule. Yes, think of it like this: if Netflix drops random gems every week without warning, you have stopped trusting them. No be so, na so. The same goes for your channel. Strategy is key. So if you don't know how to schedule a strategy, just pick a niche that you are passionate of. Mistake number 2 is weak titles and thumbnail. Like I said it, this is your first impression. Thumbnail are like a movie poster, and if it is boring, no one is going to click. Let's say your video is about how to lose weight. Sounds generic, right? Now change it to I lost 20 pounds in 30 days, or I lost $20 in 30 days doing this. Suddenly it is intriguing. Pair that with a bold and eye-catchy thumbnail and you have got a winner. Like, you'll be a king on YouTube. Remember, YouTube is a visual platform, yes, where you can use visuals on your videos. So if your thumbnail looks like it was made in 2008, thumbnail like this person just wake up from morning, this video is just a flash of what his former video, people are going to scroll right past your video. So you need to invest time here, like invest time in your thumbnail and title. It is the difference between someone that got 100 views and 1000 views. Mistake number 3 is ignoring audience retention. Here is a harsh truth: if people aren't watching your videos all the way through, YouTube won't push them, right? This is called audience retention, and it is a huge ranking factor. For example, what do I mean? If your video is 10 minutes long, but most viewers drop off after 2 minutes, yes, after 2 minutes in that your video, YouTube thinks your content is not valuable. So how do you fix this? Hook them in the first 10 seconds. Cut off the fluff. Stop your long intro, hi, welcome back to my channel, on this and that, and keep the energy high. Start your video immediately with a strong hook. Think of your video like a movie. If the opening scene is boring, people walk out, right? So you need to keep them glued to the screen. See your video as a movie that people are going to watch. The fourth mistake is not monetizing correctly and early enough. Now let's talk about money, because I love money. Money bring me to this YouTube. I want to make money in dollar. If you are waiting until you hit 1,000 subscribers to think about monetization, my brother, my sister, you are leaving cash on the table. So we need to make this money. There are so many ways to make money on YouTube early on. Yes, you can make money through affiliate marketing, sponsorship, selling your own products, or even using platforms like Patreon. For example, let's say you have 500 subscribers and you partner with a brand for a sponsored video. That is 200 what dollar in your pocket right there. No be so, you don't make money, so you don't need to wait for YouTube ads to be your only income stream. Start monetizing smarter and not harder. You're gonna learn it the hard way. Oh, you go learn am the hard way. So that is taking us to the fifth mistake: quitting too soon. Yes, look, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Most creators give up just because they are about to break through. Think about it. Mr. Beast didn't blow up overnight. If you know the story of Mr. Beast, he didn't blow up overnight. He spent years while grinding. He spent years learning and improving. If you are posting consistently, learn to optimize your content. If you make the best video that nobody have seen on this YouTube, but if you not optimize it, nobody will see, even not a single cockroach. And still, you are not going to see the result. So don't stop. Double down. Analyze what is working, tweak what is not, and keep going. On that way, success on YouTube is not about what? Luck. It is about your what? Your persistence and what? Your strategy you use to make out your content to be stand out and people to see it on this YouTube world street. So there you have it. The 5 mistakes that are killing your YouTube growth. If you are guilty of any of these, don't worry. The good news is that they are all fixable. Yes, start today by creating a strategy, upgrading your titles and thumbnail, focus on your audience retention, monetizing smarter, and most importantly, not giving up. At a point when I was uploading my videos, I was having a challenges of low views. I will make the best video that is good for my audience, but at the end, I'm not seeing any results. I'm not seeing the desirable views I am expected to see. And at a point, I feel like, what is the essence of me going on this YouTube? So that is a story for another day. If you find this video helpful, smash that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't mix out more tips like this. And hey, drop me a comment below telling me which mistake are you going to fix first. Let's grow together. If you are a small YouTuber, gather on this channel. I want to see you in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Grow with Dara loves you all. Bye.